Deputy President, huwezi tembea hapa Kisii. Osoro kaa, hiyo ni ndogo bwana. Osoro kaa. Kaa Osoro. Kaa chini. Kaa chini. Kaa, hiyo biashara naijua mzuri bwana. Wewe wacha. Kaa chini. Bwana Deputy President. Bwana Deputy President, huwezi kuja Kisii. Sisi kama wa Kisii hatuwezi kuwa kwamba watu ambao unatembea nao, it's not our face. Unatembea na wezi, wash. Hawa watu ndio unatembea na wao around. Unataka tufanye nini? Kwa hivyo tunaomba, nataka niseme, hakuna vile. Ni wangapi wanasema niendelee? Sasa asante. Nataka nimalize nikisema kwamba sisi kama jamii ya Omo Gusii, naomba Bwana Deputy President, sisi wakati wewe ulikuwa ODM pamoja na baba, mlikuwa watu wawili pamoja. Watu wetu wa Kisii wengi waliuawa kule Rift Valley. Omba msamaha hapa sasa. Omba msamaha kwa watu wetu ambao walikufa kule Rift Valley. Wewe wacha. Kwa hivyo nataka kusema hii biashara
check. Hello.
Hebu nyote muli.
Hello. Tafadhali tuketi. Tafadhali tuketi please. Tutulie kwenye viti. Tafadhali muketi. Tafadhali tuketi. Abantu bami ndole ikaranse. Komoranje ikaransa. Hello. Abagusiba binto yono gavana yono James Ongwa kwana obwana bwasoira. I've taken over now. Mogwete Abagusies Mwaika have taken over the program. I have taken over this program. Oyonongwa Okwana Ikaranza Mwensipi. Everybody sit down. I have taken over this program. Sit down. Abagusiba Minto, I want you to listen to me. Minto Kimuranche Karanza Abantu ba Minto Kimuranche Karanza Ikaranza Oyoneka bana ino James Ongwa Okwana Antagete mokiro kiri Kimuranche Abantu ba Minto Gakitata Taruanchaya Ikaranza Mokire Ndeto Mugabana Abakuanie Tafadhali Karanza wana kaso mwenzi please abantu no mtu kaso mwenzi sibategara abantu no nani abantu mwenzi rianga sote wanda wansi bwe anta baskam kachiri tafadhali lakini wartika wa Karanza baharia Ndeto Mugabana Abakuanie Ikaranza Sike familia abandara mutu wa musoke mutu aba mutoke tafadhali soka tafadhali kwa mutu aba police ayorani no tafadhali ngawa na nkoreta kuwa na bono nani tafadhali basi nani askari toa watu gavana aongea sasa toa tafadhali na mtu wa kama higa umate mbakuru wa mtu wa mtarawa clear from here please I thought kama ndio mweka babere abana clear kabisa murwa karo agaki kara soka agaki tibu soka agaki oyengo wasi mbia mono sana tiga togendera no mukutano tafadhali bono Senator Mogeni Senator akisoka nalibara sogochi alia kama na korangeri bweka was mbia mono bono Karanza yang soke banda abachi alinse Karanza kama na kuane koro mukora akora muri mutua biamono bono tiga kwa heshima ndeto musani otata omusani otata mugabano ito okay ngoli weka ngomusiki ori otera we kanisa abanye na jumotera kanisa njo motera abadi tera kurwabun oh no to masakro Vas biamono.
television semechiga cia tende stadium nigo ya masaka yoko mwenya gusomera Abel Gongera ya bero sinina kego yekubwatikana kiria yarikorekana na nechibura bungu wa asaba na siasa bali mu Rwanda tatukunyoringa gati y'abageni baba bagukirana asomo yokorega ngamwe deputy president nabo Yugo oyina n'abagwatanya inyonga cyane cy'ibyo ncyabwate abagwatanya baba bajumbe n'abanzi n'amashabiki cyari korekana no gusalika kumuroberi ya iranga konyari atanga ndado kunyita bakamrenga siasa tebese kwanelwa ase egekaboneka ngo umusimangi ugiye sire na katumwa abo kana na siasa tebe kwanelwa kujima ase amatanga yaiga kwenda bana siasa bana bali murengecho yabo nigo bayirana guchaka gukwana mangana siasa ekere bona dekia samba monene kero moske simbaratu yo mujumbe kwensema ya WC arenge kwana egori kore kana akali no kubanyana moske ya mruto achikotena akitorogo ko president nyana kora mutega batanga gaiga bona chinse amachiro gaiga bwatani bo mukonju muraibu ensomoske ya mruto mbaro naboigo abagwatani baye bailo bingambaro kibono tirere ekero simbaratu ya kwana ni goli berero limoka ourwali kondo naboigo yali ko bangane chisegi kuri none nabo bono buno ligere tigo chimutu ali mwanchu ligere chibura buruiga kuri chire go bachiwe tena nabuna oligere chimutu ali mo governor bu county ya Kisii Mosque James Mbai bakubwatana na no deputy governor Mosque Joash Mange wabere bakwira libagana kuribo teneneri gwege karekeza igonga na koko tebanga ndo morembe nkwira nore egere program egende wetera bajumbe bakwanire naboigo naba MCA bakego bakwanire bonage karekego chikana nugochia saba senator boymen rep aboigo amo nabaraibande abana natuskatambe muranga nigature live megatembe television network igonga tugendera koletera amangana yaiga unagenderete kubuchira.
Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Dr. William Ruto, Your Excellency, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, and the leader of my party, Raila Amolo Odinga, the members of Parliament who are here, both from the Senate and the National Assembly, abantu baminto bawo machoge abakioni mura abambaba abaochina aba machoge ne amate ya ino yonsi esi ya ikakorbo basi South Mugirango Bonchari Yalibali twensi korboge tutu na sanda wansupi. God is good. And all the time, isn't he good? Who would have thought you would be quiet like you are right now? With all these prayers, Pastor, I sincerely thank you for your good prayers. And myself as a governor of this county, I feel very, very, very low with the type of behavior that I've seen here. I hope I don't see it again. Kiagera, because the old man here was 101 years. I wish I had taken over this program from the start. But I've now come here. Abagusiba mintontara kuana kende. abagaka mbarega iga mugaka agatima isomo agenda onye mo mugaka ominto a chair ya Council of Governors ato igorero mukutano nanga ato igorero tebuya oyo minto matundura timaiti sikuaga ende kiagera matundura inu mogoteba bagaka ngati mo igorera abasae ero nigo bara baise ko buna chinkore abagaka bataranywa marwa gose bono naenda bagusiba teba ngabasae mbasa ambetege sakyo mugaka gose bono ono moro chirende abagaka bagana kiye kogera in all my meetings nko allow abagaka batu chakero mukutano gose bono ngakiere teri boyga bantu baminto esimwaika tetemba ikupaka ari maega igonta getemba tebinga bagusiye twa ikire unabono tore iga na indu twa isanire toko ikaranse mesa imoisa inimo ikaranse mesa igo mwe wale tu mo ikaranse mesa twa isanire toko ikaranse mesa eke to isanire toko ikaranse mesa ntoko ruanira basacha bande abakungu morega igonye mwaro rabasacha abakorwana mobori gose mubwata abasacha ekiarestu aikirebono ekikarigento gento kerebuya. Let me come back to my brother Joash Mahangi. Even before I say that, I think it's extremely unfair that we have two leaders that I just want them to come here, they just salute. Kimura anche abande mbakuwa na ababere bago salute go salute goka. Omo senator itokoru Nyamira ngayore kiara ko chakara bono nobody is going to talk. Omo senator ito Nyamira nchuga anchote na abakorore. Omo swati ominto mama ngina bantu nchote nenega aiga. Omo swati onde koru oma beitindo chimuro chiogo tenaga Wanga Gladys, they are not going to talk, they will just salute to you nginabantu. Senator Kwamboka no yonde nare narao munyoka nere koruana nere tigacha Millicent Yomanga nchua Millicent nanya korawa suati ba koruana ori akoro kutindi ko bayibaga nobody is talking. Oyo akoro ku Millicent Omanga igare nominated igare kwerende Nairo Mochumbe korwa koru Nairobi no are Nairobi no mwana minto koruga gusi. Just go away. No, yeah, thank you. Oyo Kabere, please. Yes. Yeah, please. Just go away. Genda karua ba woneta ikokuwa na noyo. Go away. Go away. Kusio moswati oyiga akimuranji. Oyo Kabere karuo abachumba abekera ini karuo
Senator Mocheru kurwa se county ya Nairobi Musubati Millicent Omanga igatatu kurutereria aguri baga aru nkwano kurende mugavana we county ya Kisii nya kurende bono rimo gende tukora chibichechio nabo liberera libuwatete kegima nabo liberera libuwatete kegima ase ejukwega kerabono omugavana ngwae atabire ngo ndetayo obuchikogu ali bagari obukwana ndetayo obuchikogu ali bagari obukwana igona amatanga yaiga arengera mochoko nabo mochoko ligiri koba ogosarika kurende na igatuba tukwirena kerabono omusike ongwae atabire ngo ndetayo obuchikokwana ebonsi baikaransibwe tuchikororanga nandinga ngigiro chikogenderera koba gendera kubwatia Getembe Television Network chinga kuchira chance gendera kubwatia Getembe TV tobe tuko korokia mesizo chikogo chiragabwa ayamasemo tobe tukumanyanga inki kegendera
kirengo korande oyo minto mwana minto deputy governor Joash Gongera kima etigo so yo minto omwana oyo minto gari go sanawara ekero 2007 ekero na tagete gote nobo 2013 ekero na gote nobo governor 2013 ekero na gote nobo governor nkanyora abantu babere ba korwense meyemo oyo minto gari noyo minto Joash ekero na abanyora Nairobi nkanyora bonsi obatate gote nobo obo chumbe nkaruo nkagamba nabarobwo nkabatebya inumwenzi n'abantu ba minto nande komwaba abantu ba minto takorwana tokaigwana that time maito sogari unacheta akaba mochumbe noyo mwana oyo minto akaba deputy governor tuabere na Joash tugakore tamu ya entangani entu asoire tamu ya kabere nere aba machoke ba minto tinje tigo yo minto Joash no tore nere naende iganga kelte simchinsa ikomina mochi ya mambi tagete montegerere akanga kele simchinsa ikomina mochi ya mambi akatemu wako muabo sirire kamote Joash onyo mugako yo minto manyete gongero osirire montigera mangana yo no ena ibono genda otimoke ngafomu ya committee inero ya gari to karanse gabon nechi committee ne chenkuru Nairobi esa audio no mwana mitu akode neregasi and we have been together intubu no mogusi na inche mwaigure nko bate very many times iyo nko bate binga 92 aikirenga kibondo gwente gote na ukaranse mesa na intu abasacha abekero bago cha gotebanga ningo koriki na intu nto yotobe ko montemesa una abagusi mwegwete inatomwa amaiga yo mwana minto matiangi Joash nangero ngori ya echiringi 1100 mombo ategaiga na endo teba mwakwa na even this morning igaba kusiba minto taete mumanyenga intwe unomo gusi na abantu twaje tobomo ekiano in 2007 ekere michando yarengo ngakie yo ekere michando yarengo 2007 abantu baje tega iga seitoga gusiba gacha komenyo na 2013 naende bagacha ga seito gusiko menyo esa urtoro monto yo mo naende tuanje twe to na intu to menyete chinse mo chinde chinyingi igonta getemba te abagusiba minto tigatuanchane na ento manya na intu bunege saku na intu aikire stage bono na intu ese yeito ya Kenya na intu to gwenda kwikaransa mesa iguru nengakie yimbono tali yankyo ngira neso mo wako mintore eso yo mintoga iga when I was working in the office of the president and my brother William became a member of parliament. I think it was in 1997. We became friends when he came to the office of the president. And we are still friends. And then I've got my brother here, Raila Amolo Odinga. We have worked with this man for a long time. I've even been his chief campaign manager. And I can tell you for a fact that we are dealing with a grand old man of politics of Kenya here. So all of you are welcome to Kisii. This is a great county. These are great people. These are people that are going to make a very serious decision in 2022. Because when we are together, the number of Gusii people in Kisii and Nyamira and those in the diaspora, the number is almost equal. So we are going to make a very big decision in 2022. And it will be an independent decision. At that particular time, because we know who is good and who is not good. It is not inside here. We all know who is good and who is not good. So at that time, we'll make a decision. Ladies and gentlemen, let me not talk too much, but let me say this, that as a country where we are right now, and even the changes that we need to make. For instance, the new constitution has got 35% of the budget coming to the counties. 35% from the current 15%. And that is a fact. Ekinege ndogote kotolete rama genderero. Abanchete igobara abange. Mbarenga mutete bibi.